Hello, today I would like to present you this absolutely beautiful shoe dryer that can act as a double purpose device and can be a great addition to your electronic lab. First, let's take a look how does it present. It's got absolutely beautiful look, just take a look. It looks like something from like a spacecraft. You've got that beautiful tube that allow you to direct the hot air flow. It is designed in a way that even if you are going to block the flow totally, you've got possibility to the air go into the side. So it is absolutely beautiful design and it can go pretty far. I'm pretty sure that you understand why you've got two elements, and of course that's because you are going to be using that on two shoes. So here is my duty shoes. You grab that element, you nicely insert it in, just like that. Let me take a look. You insert it like this, you start the machine, and your shoes are going to be 100% dry. Why it is absolutely 100% important thing, just imagine that you are walking whole day, you are sweating in, and the inside, the insoles are going to be wet, or you go out into the field, they let the water in, you've got the same use case. In wet, damp environment, you can get a fungus growing and they are going to become smelly, and also you are risking contaminating like your nails with some kind of fungus. So absolutely, yeah, this is not a good thing. And this device allow you to make sure they are going to be fully dry. Of course, also if you are going to wash them in running water, of course some water will pass through and you can put them into the dryer. So it is absolutely beautiful device that I totally recommend if you are using like a duty military shoes, you are spending a lot of time walking, then this is device for you. So let's very quickly power it on so you can see how does it operate, and we are going to be using regular AC. How to operate this device is extremely simple. We've got just that one knob that acts as a switch and timer. You just go like this. You can see the power indicator has lit. The heater is working, the fan is passing air, and that hot air go through. If that would be for a real, of course I would pull those zippers, but we are just doing the YouTube video. From my observation, the output air is absolutely great. It is not hot to the limit that I would say I'm going to be afraid that some plastic elements are going to melt, but it's warm enough to speed up the drying process. So this is the intended use case, but let's take a look and see what you can do with this device in your electronic lab. I let my meter running for couple moments, and as you can see we stabilize around 55 Celsius degree. So this is kind of temp you are going to get at the output, so it should not melt any plastic. It is possible to put your hand, but at the same time, as I told you, it's going to speed up any drying process. So what kind of possible use case you can get in your electronic lab? If you've got device that was soaked in water, you've got a water inside, you can put your board, you can nicely direct the airflow, and because it is quite high volume with that correct temp, you can nicely dry it out. As you can see, you've got a lot of possibilities to adjust it to go into place that you want. Also, it can be used for drying anything that's got a solvent that need to be evaporate. So as you can see, in my personal opinion, it was absolutely beautiful purchase because we've got a home improvement and also we've got our electronic lab. So let's take a look at the design. Let me turn it off. Here we've got our timer, we've got the power indicator. It is quite lightweight. Here we've got the air intake. We're going to get a blower and somewhere inside fan. Here you can see how the air channels are going. Let's take a look at the plate. We've got Shoe Dryer 2.0 by a company called EUROM. As I told you, around 250 watts. So it is absolutely beautiful purchase and I would highly recommend it for you. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.